The Maryam Abacha American University of Nigeria's Innovation Hub on Monday hosted a training workshop on entrepreneurship and digital marketing. The workshop was organized by MAAUN Innovation Hub, a division of Institute of Africa Higher Education Research. The workshop was organized by the MAAUN Innovation Hub, a division of the Institute of Africa Higher Education Research, in collaboration with the Startup Kano Centre for Innovation and Development. The event aimed to expose students with practical skills to turn their business ideas into reality and leverage digital tools for success. The one-day program was moderated by Amina Ibrahim Idris, a youth mentor and trainer known for her energetic and engaging style. Participants were exposed to foundational concepts of starting a business, including idea development and growth strategies, as well as marketing techniques to help businesses reach more customers and thrive online. The event gave the students a chance to talk with each other and connect with others who share their interests. The event echoed the importance of innovation and entrepreneurship in Nigeria's future, while reaffirming the university's commitment for excellence.